How would you like to earn unlimited $25 commissions in the health and wellness industry? Well, it can happen. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I want to talk about an opportunity that is popping right now. A lot of affiliate and network marketers are talking about LiveGood. All right, if you haven't heard of LiveGood, it is it's only been around maybe 3-4 months right now. It is a health and wellness supplement company that offer a membership site to its members, and that allows their members to get high quality supplements at very discounted prices. All right, so anytime you get somebody to join LiveGood and they decide to be a business builder, which means that they actually want to get products at a discounted price, but they also want to promote LiveGood, right? They're going to get $25 for every person that they bring into LiveGood that decides to promote LiveGood. So to become an actual affiliate yourself for LiveGood, all you need to do is pay a one-time $40 affiliate fee, right? And then it's $9.95 a month to become an actual active member of LiveGood, which will allow you to get supplements at a very, very discounted price. So when you do get started with LiveGood, right, it's going to cost you $50 to get started. $50 can start your own online business in the billion-dollar health and wellness industry, because that's what LiveGood is all about. They're about high quality supplements. So if you are someone who is looking for something very simple to get started with, very newbie friendly, LiveGood is definitely an opportunity that you want to look at. I've been a member of it for about 3 weeks now. Super cool. I got a couple products from them right now. So here is one of their most popular products right now. It's called the Super Reds. I think you can see it. There you go. Bam. Super Reds. All right. It's just a powder. This is a month supply. Now, what makes LiveGood so dope, and why, if you're in the health and wellness industry, if you're actually into supplements and promoting them, this can be very, very profitable for you, because their supplements, what they do on the LiveGood site, whenever you promote this to people looking for supplements, they actually give you a comparison, a product comparison to all the products and its competitors. So for example, with Super Reds, this actually costs $18 as a LiveGood member. $18. Now, this is comparable to, and maybe you heard of it, Organifi, which is one of the most popular powder supplements, and that's $70 for a month supply of Organifi. And then they compare it to, I believe it's called Super Beats, and that retails for $40, right? So when people see that they can get something for $18, which is just as good or even better as the other stuff on the market, that is the selling point, right? That's how people are getting so many people involved with LiveGood, because the product price are just so appealing to people. So when you get people involved with LiveGood and they're like, oh man, that's cool. Man, I could get Super Reds for $18, or I can get these other products for $15, $22. And wait a minute, whoa, wait. I can actually get paid to share this with other people. I could actually become an affiliate, right? So that's how it works. And that's how every time somebody signs up for LiveGood and they become an affiliate just like you, remember, they pay $50. You're going to get $25 for every person that you get that joins LiveGood, that decides to get these products as well as promote the opportunity. Now, another feature that a lot of people love about LiveGood is, guess what? If you ain't into supplements, which I recommend that you kind of have an interest in health and wellness, but that's just my opinion. But guess what? You can become an affiliate of LiveGood and never buy a damn thing if you don't want to. Me personally, you know what I'm saying? I got a fitness channel. I'm into supplements, right? I'm into it. That's my thing, right? But guess what? If you're not, and you're just like, look, I just want to make money. I just want to earn commissions. Damn everything else. You can do that with LiveGood. You are not obligated as a member right? Because you're going to pay $9.95 a month, right? Every month to be a member. But you can just be paying that basically $10 a month just to be active affiliate, just to be able to earn commissions. So you can look at it like that if you want to. There are a lot of other network marketing companies, they require you to buy products every month. Like you have to maintain your status or whatever. What LiveGood is different. You don't have to do that. You don't have to buy any products. You can literally just pay your membership fee and just build a business. Now, yes, this video is all about how to earn easy $25 commissions. LiveGood still is a network marketing opportunity. So with that being said, so for every person that you get that joins LiveGood and becomes an affiliate and they pay that $9.95 a month membership fee, you're going to make money from that person for every single month. Now keep in mind, it ain't a lot, but the key is that money adds up. Plus you get paid for who they bring in and who they bring in and who they bring in. You get the whole network marketing thing. But honestly, a lot of people are looking at that whole, the residual side of it as just like extra. A lot of people are just focusing on just getting those $25 commissions, right? So for example, you get 10 people this week, you just earn $250, right? If you can get 10 commissions every week, that's $1,000 a month, right? So a lot of people are just looking at LiveGood as just an affiliate program rather than a network marketing opportunity, which if you look at it like that, that's really, really smart, because you're going to get these commissions and then over time, you're going to realize like, damn, wait a minute. I'm getting an extra $300-$400 residual check every month. Damn, where'd this come from, right? Because you was just focusing on the $25 commissions. But you could look at it however you want to look at it, all right? So if you're excited about this opportunity and you're ready to join LiveGood right now, all you need to do is click the first link in the description of this video and take the LiveGood tour. It explains everything about the company and you can get started today. Once I've seen that you signed up for LiveGood and became an affiliate, I will personally reach out to you and help you get started and answer any questions I can. But I want you to remember, with any of these opportunities, they all can make you money. All you got to do is be willing to take action.